Go. Again.
Why?
Okay, go. Let's lower.
Bitches! Alright, get out.
Okay, stop.
It's crazy how Mr. Bear.
It's crazy. Who's going
how
on?
You are.
Who's going on Facebook?
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Get the fuck out!
That's what Ashley says. Get the fuck out of here.
I know, Mr. Bear. Mama went to sleep laying down with you.
This is a motherfucking KKK.
No, it says I love you.
I love you.
I love you.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, bitches.
Yeah.
You say ew like if it really has private parts or something.
If you really put this on Facebook, you're gonna be fucking retard. These are funny videos for us at home, not for fucking Facebook to see, because they won't even understand our humor.
I see you.
Bye.